Hey everyone, it's me again. And guess what? Guess what? I got a box. And you wanna know what's inside this box? It's Pokemon stuff. I really wanna know what's inside this box. I really have no idea whatsoever. So I got this box off of Etsy, as you can tell. Right there. And the person I got it from, the name was Pokemon Creations. Yeah. And she has a certain thing of mystery boxes. Basically, there's a mini mystery, a super mystery, and there's a couple more. But I ended up getting the box that was $15. And it's here. So I'm going to open this up. So just give me 1 minute. Okay, so it was a minute for me, but like a second for you. But it's open, and now let's see what's in there. And everything just dropped. Okay, let me pull out what's inside this box and I'll show you guys. Okay. Here's that. This is the person that I got it from. That's her Etsy shop, Pokemon Creations, and this is what the bag. So go follow her on Instagram. And if you like what I get from here, go check her out. So I got one pack, a coin, Pikachu. I got another pack that we'll figure out what's in it in a second. That. I also got some stickers. Sweet. And I also got a necklace. Aw, it's Sylveon. It's so adorable. I got this envelope. Aw, Sylveon. It's a sticker. I'm gonna put this right over here. We'll try to put it over here anyways. Then this was the card that came in it. It's Cubone. Then I also got 2 booster packs, Sun and Moon base set and an Ancient Origins. Alright. I'm gonna open this up. And I'm gonna put it so it's hanging down over here for now. Or it could just stay right there. I'm not picking it up. Let's figure out what's in this pack first. So here's a code card for you. Now, I have no idea if there's a card trick for this, but I'm just gonna go through the cards as is. Let's figure out. Chimchar, a Skorupi, a Yungoos, a Cherubi, a Piplup. As a reverse holo, there's a Cherim. And for our rare, we have an Alolan Sandslash, an Energy, and a Skateboard, and a Grottle, and Cynthia. So, I'm gonna put the rare over there with the reverse rare. And I'll set this back down over here. And I also didn't get to open this coin. Pikachu's so adorable. go to the next pack. If I can open it. There's the code card for you. And it's from a Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. Sorry. My bad. We have an Alolan Diglett. Another Piplup. Salandit. Passamain. Shinx. For our reverse, we have a Manaphy. And for the rare, we have a Hollow Rampardos. Then we have an Energy, a Purgly, a Yanmega, and a Looker. Alright, so I'm going to save this for last because those like really cool things. And I'm going to open up the Sun and Moon base pack. If I can open it. I always have trouble opening these things. One, two, three, four. Energy. Oh, my bad. A Torracat. Crushing Hammer. A Poliwhirl. A Grubbin. Pharaoh. A Snubble. A Sandile. A Pick-a-Peck. And for our reverse we have a Charabug. And for the rare we have a... Oh. We have an ultra rare don't even know how to pronounce that, and I'm not going to try. Sorry, my bad. But I'm going to put this in the sleeve so it doesn't get ruined, and I'm going to put this over here with the other cards. And here's a code card for you guys. Now we have the Ancient Origins. I think it's 3. I'll go with 3 just in case. Alright, so we have a Kirklia, a Sceptile Spirit Link, Eco Arm, Malamar, a Combee, a Golett, a Cottonee, a Larvesta, and for our reverse we have a Meowth. And for our rare, we have a Hoopa EX. Wow. Both of those packs had good pulls. Put that in the sleeve. And now let's figure out what's in this pack. Alright, so I'm gonna do the best to actually pronounce the names, but not quite sure if I can. Don't know that one. But they are cool looking. Look, it's a Rayquaza. Then we have an Alolan Vulpix. Then we have an Ho-Oh GX. Alright, so that was definitely worth $15. And as I said before, well, here's the code card for the other one. I'd go check it out. Go check her out. She has a lot of stuff on her Etsy account that you can actually buy. Here's her card again. And if you like this video, like it and hit the subscribe button, and there's going to be more videos to come. Alright. But, yeah. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.